Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Day in the Life. Now, I'm super tired, I'm not feeling very well either, but I had planned on getting an episode of Day in the Life out this week. It's currently Friday the 5th of November. This year has absolutely, just torn straight by. But yeah, I planned on getting a Day in the Life out this week. I'm currently in 2 trades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around to show you what I'm kind of looking at on my setup, and then catch up with you from there. So I'm currently in a short here on Euro Yen and on Aussie Yen as well. For those of you who are kind of interested in my setup, the way I arrange things, I use Admiral markets for my charting on MetaTrader. So that's Admiral markets up there. I use that for all of my analysis, but then I'm executing on a different broker down here. So whilst all my charting is here, all the assets that I watch throughout the day, when I'm in trades, I'm monitoring them here. So you can see my daily plan, everything that I plan to trade, and my fundamentals and that kind of thing as well. And then any active trades I've got running, I'll have here for management purposes. Now, today is the non-farm payrolls. Given that the clocks have actually went forward in the UK, the NFP is coming out at 12:30 rather than 1:30. So a little bit of stuff to sort of get out the way before then. We do have a members live call on Zoom at 10:30. For those of you who are unaware, we do a live stream every morning with our members on Zoom. I'll just talk through exactly what I'm looking at in the markets, what I'm expecting for fundamentals, and I'll answer any questions and that kind of stuff as well. If you're interested in joining any of those groups, it's going to be a top link in the description. But anyway, it's about 10:15. I need to go and grab a quick shave and a wash before we jump on with this members live call. So I'll catch up with you in a bit.
You how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
So it's currently about 10:45. We're just about to jump on this live members Zoom call. Do you know that?
I saw that. Oh.
Can you open that blind again? Just halfway. Meet me halfway.
Right on the blind line.
Right on the borderline.
I'll be smoking snouts.
Right, shh. Needs to begin. So it's currently about 10:45. We have just started our members live call. So we're going to go over some of that analysis, some of the setups that I'm in currently, and a couple of things that I'm looking at for the day ahead. There's really not a whole lot on my radar, but we also do have to get prepped for the non-farm payrolls coming out as well. So we're going to jump on with this, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this Friday morning live stream. Now, today is a big day. It's NFP day. We have a pretty decent number expected. And then, typically what we would expect is a continuation of that flag, a break to the upside, continuation of that flag. In reality, what we've seen is we've seen a daily bearish engulfing that is not only closed down through the bottom of that flag, but it's also closed down through the bottom end of this range of structure as well. Definitely.
Is that Donald Trump as well? Yeah,
I don't know if Trump was there.
Oh no, Trump wasn't there.
I'm just back from grabbing coffee. Now, at the moment in Glasgow, there is like a climate change event going on. There's loads of world leaders and that kind of thing in Glasgow for this event. So all the streets are just full of like tourists and people doing climate change demonstrations and loads of police and all that kind of stuff. So when we were on our way out, there was some crazy demonstration about... Grant, what was that demonstration about?
Thank you. Anyone taking
crazy times. So I have a little bit of work to do on the business side of KB. Got some media content and stuff like that to put together on Photoshop. So I'm gonna get on with this, I'm gonna drink this coffee, and then I'll catch up with you in about an hour for a little announcement about a very, very exciting feature that we are bringing to KB. If you've been following us on social media for a little while, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, that kind of thing, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Not all of the details have been released yet, so it is something that we are building up slowly over the weeks, with the launch date being the 1st of December. Really, really looking forward to getting you guys in on it. Anyway, I'm gonna get on with this work and I'll catch up with you in a bit. So as you can see, Euro Yen and Aussie Yen as well are both making pretty significant moves to the downside. There's not been any management opportunities on either just yet. However, of course, I'll keep you up to date if I do make any management decisions. So now to get onto this feature that I've not spoken about on YouTube whatsoever. Now, I've only spoken about this on Instagram, we've sent out newsletters and that kind of thing, spoken a bit about it on LinkedIn as well. But this is the first YouTube video where we're talking about this brand new feature. Now, the brand new feature that we're bringing to KB is entitled Trade Club. Now, Trade Club is by far the biggest feature we have ever launched here at KB, and we're extremely, extremely excited about it. Trade Club will be for everyone, regardless of your trading strategy, regardless of your trading experience, regardless of where you're from. Trade Club is literally from everyone, and we know you guys are going to love it. Now, Trade Club won't be officially revealed and announced until the 1st of December. On the 1st of December, we will launch the Trade Club reveal video. Now, each Monday from the start of November until the start of December, we're releasing a new feature of Trade Club, a new detail of Trade Club, giving you sort of clues as the weeks go on. Now, this week we launched the first detail, which I'll put on screen just now. So hopefully this is starting to give you a little bit of a clue as to what Trade Club is. There are still a few key features to be announced over the coming weeks, and then of course that reveal video on the 1st of December. Now, if you are interested in Trade Club, you think it's something that you might want to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description which will say above it, register your interest in Trade Club. If you go on there and sign up to the newsletter, you'll be the first to hear when we release any details, when we announce any features, and of course, when we announce that reveal video on the 1st of December, you'll be the first to see it as well.
He says he's pleasantly surprised by the intensity and duration of the supply shock.
So we're currently 2 minutes out from the NFP. Now, today's NFP figure is expected to be 455k jobs added against 194k last month, which is quite a soft print. So, with 455k jobs expected to be added, we do actually want a stronger number out of the US. Aussie tends to suffer, Yen tends to actually benefit from stronger US data coming out. So because I'm short Aussie Yen, of course I do want weakness in the Australian dollar and strength in the Japanese yen. So I'm currently screen recording at the same time. I'm going to monitor these positions over the data release and let you see how we get on. Ten seconds, lads.
10 seconds.
Good number.
The unemployment rate of 4.6%, average earnings on the month 0.4%, year on year 4.9%. So just to recap that, non-farm payrolls 531,000, private revised 312,000 from 194,000. Private payroll 604,000 with the unemployment rate of 4.6%, average earnings on the month of 0.4, year on year at 4.9%. Average work week hours at 34.7, with the labour force participation rate at 61.6.
How was that?
Okay guys, so it's currently the weekend, right? Now on Friday evening, I closed out of that trade on Aussie yen for about half an hour profit, so about $500. And I got stopped out at a trailed stop on Euro yen as well. Now, so I'm ending this week with about $1,000 profit. You know, it's not crazy profits or anything like that. But at the end of the day, profit is profit. It's been a relatively slow week, and so to end in profit, you know, I'm more than happy to end the week with 1 hour in the bank. Now guys, if you did enjoy this video, although it was a shorter day in the life, please be sure to drop it a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Now if you do think that you'd be interested in Trade Club, please go and register your interest to stay up to date with the latest details and that kind of thing as well. And if you're interested in looking at any of our education, that's going to be the top link in the description. Whether you're a beginner trader, just, you know, finding your feet, or whether you're someone who's been trading for years and you're just, you know, trying to develop a bit more consistency, KB has education for everyone. You know, we have monthly membership groups, daily live streams, and all that good stuff as well. So with that being said, guys, thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.